why you should not save passwords in browser. If you thought that saving all your passwords in your browser makes you smart, it doesn't. Hello netizens of the cyber world. This is me, Ishban Yadav, your cyber peace buddy for the day, and today we are going to speak about Redline malware that specifically targets popular web browsers such as Chrome, Edge and Opera, demonstrating why storing your passwords in browsers is a bad idea. Before we nerd out to the gory details, let me give you some fun facts. Redline malware was first observed in March 2020. It is a commodity information stealer that can be purchased roughly for $200 on cybercrime forums and be deployed without requiring much knowledge or effort. And you thought it would take a Kevin Mitnick to hack your safe browser stored passwords. Now, back to some serious facts. A new report by AHAN ASEC warns that the convenience of using the auto login feature on web browsers is becoming a substantial security problem affecting both organizations and individuals. In an example presented by the analyst, a remote employee lost VPN account credentials to Redline stealer actors who used the information to hack the company's network 3 months later. Does that sound scary to you? Let me add even more. Even though the infected computer had an anti-malware solution installed, it failed to detect and remove Redline stealer. Yes, you heard that right. While browser password stores are encrypted, such as those used by Chromium-based browsers, information stealing malware can programmatically decrypt the store as long as they are logged in as the same user. As Redline runs as a user who was infected, it will be able to extract the passwords from their browser profiles. So, what should you do instead? Obviously, given the current online lives, we cannot fathom to remember unique passwords for unique platforms. That would likely make 100 odd websites, no? I mean, come on, even Sherlock can't do that. So here's what you should do. It would be best to use a dedicated password manager that stores everything in an encrypted vault and request the master password to unlock it. Moreover, you should configure specific rules for sensitive websites such as e-banking portals or corporate asset web pages requiring manual credential input. Finally, activate multi-factor authentication wherever this is available, as this additional step can save you from account takeover incidents even if your credentials have been compromised. Well, that was your how to stop Redline malware hackers to steal your browser passwords 101. This is Ishban Yadav signing off. Stay cyber safe. Thank you for watching.